Adani Ports expands global reach, secures 30-year deal for Tanzania Port Terminal. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited, APSEZ, has made a significant stride in its global expansion efforts by securing a 30-year concession agreement through its subsidiary, Adani International Ports Holdings Private Limited, AIPH, to operate and manage Container Terminal 2, CT2, at the Dar es Salaam port in Tanzania. State Bank of India market cap crosses 8 lakh rupees crore milestone. The market capitalization of the State Bank of India, SBI, crossed the 8 lakh rupees crore mark on Monday after the bank's shares surged by 9% during a rally in the stock market, hitting an all-time high of 912 rupees. SBI's shares have increased by more than 50% in the past 6 months. SEBI launches Sathi 2.0 personal finance app for investors. It includes financial calculators and has modules that introduce and explain KYC, know your client, procedures, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, buying and selling shares on stock exchanges and investor grievances redressal mechanism, SEBI said. Nokia and Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya collaborate on 5G, 6G research. On Monday, Finnish telecom gear maker Nokia said it signed an agreement with the Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, GSV, for joint research related to 5G, 6G communications in the transportation and logistics sector. Nvidia surpasses Apple to become second most valuable company. Nvidia has officially surpassed Apple to become the second most valuable company in the world. The chipmaker stock was up 5.16% at $1,224 United States dollars and 40 cents, which gave Nvidia a market value of 3.01 trillion United States dollars at market close. SBI Mutual Fund becomes first to top 10 trillion rupees in assets under management. SBI Mutual Fund became the first in India to surpass 10 lakh rupees crore in average asset under management, AUM, on June 3, 2024, with a 27% growth. This achievement reflects the trust of investors and partners in the fund house's offerings. RBI approves Zurich Insurance's acquisition of 70% stake in Kotak General. The acquisition is worth 5,560 crore rupees. The Reserve Bank of India has greenlit Zurich Insurance Company's acquisition of a 70% stake in Kotak Mahindra General Insurance Company for 5,560 crore rupees, as per an exchange filing by Kotak Mahindra Bank on the 5th of June. Muthoot Microfinance and SBI join forces to empower rural women entrepreneurs. Muthoot Microfinance on Thursday announced a strategic co-lending partnership with the State Bank of India to extend its financial services to women in the economically weaker segment in rural and semi-urban regions across India. ISRO working on a mission to advance high-resolution thermal imaging for climate resource management. The Trishna mission, a collaborative endeavor between ISRO and French space agency CNES, is engineered to deliver high spatial and high temporal resolution monitoring of Earth's surface temperature, emissivity, biophysical and radiation variables for surface energy budgeting at regional to global scale, according to the Indian Space Agency. 1.73 lakh rupees crore is the Goods and Services Tax, GST, collection for the month of May. The Gross Goods and Services Tax, GST, revenue for May 2024 stood at 1.73 lakh rupees crore. This represents a 10% year-on-year growth, driven by a strong increase in domestic transactions, up 15.3%, and a slowing of imports, down 4.3%.